I'm Seth Snyder with Steve Landers Toyota in Northwest Arkansas, and I'm a service advisor up here. I've been here for about 6 years. I started in the detail bay and just kind of worked my way up, and I love working here. Where would you go if money was no option? It kind of sounds odd, but I think I'd probably go to Louisiana and live on the coast and just fish all the time. I love to fish. What was your first car? I hauled hay and cut grass and saved up just a few $1,000s and bought a Ford F-150 that broke down all the time, and that's how I learned how to work on cars, and that's why I work here today. So it's one of my passions. What's the worst and weirdest food you've ever eaten? That was kind of a hard one to determine because I've had some pretty rotten stuff before. But I ate a durian fruit one time, which is like a big, evil, spiky pineapple, and it was just awful, really, really bad. So that's probably the worst thing I've ever ingested before. So that's a little bit about me. Call me if you have any service needs. I'll be more than happy to take care of maintenance or repairs, or even if you want to modify your vehicle, I like doing that. My phone number is 479-845-5273. So leave me a message if I don't pick up. I'll be more than happy to hear from you.